Instagram is a powerhouse of influence, and in 2025, it's clearer than ever that non-celebrity creators are driving the trends, shaping conversations, and capturing the imagination of global audiences. These individuals didn't start out with a traditional spotlight or celebrity status. They built their followings from the ground up, armed with creativity, authenticity, and an uncanny ability to connect. So, who are the top non-celebrity Instagram influencers making waves right now? Leading the charge is Khaby Lame, whose rise to the top of Instagram has been nothing short of phenomenal. With over 80 million followers, Khaby's signature style, humorous, silent videos that mock and simplify complicated life hacks, has universal appeal. He doesn't rely on words, instead letting his expressive reactions do the talking. This approach breaks down language barriers, winning fans from every corner of the globe. In a digital world overflowing with complexity, Khaby's content is refreshingly simple and wildly relatable. He's proof that authenticity, delivered with a wink and a smile, can resonate with millions. Next on the scene is Huda Kattan, founder of @Huda Beauty. With more than 56 million followers, Huda's journey began with a passion for makeup and has evolved into a billion-dollar beauty empire. What sets Huda apart is her commitment to sharing honest tutorials, product reviews, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into both her personal and professional life. She's built a community that trusts her expertise and embraces her transparency. Through her platform, Huda doesn't just sell beauty products, she inspires confidence and creativity, empowering her followers to experiment and express themselves. Addison Rae is another non-celebrity influencer who's carved out a massive space on Instagram, now with 36.1 million followers. Although Addison first rose to prominence on TikTok, she's seamlessly transitioned to Instagram, where she shares content centered on beauty, fashion, and music. Addison's feed is a vibrant reflection of her personality, playful, stylish, and real. She's become a go-to source of inspiration for anyone looking to keep up with the latest trends, and her collaborations with major brands highlight the power of influencer marketing in 2025. Chiara Ferragni, the Italian fashion and lifestyle influencer, commands 28.7 million followers. Chiara's story is a testament to the power of personal branding. She blends high-fashion outfits with relatable moments from her day-to-day life, offering a unique mix of glamour and authenticity. Her influence extends beyond Instagram. Chiara's entrepreneurial spirit and savvy collaborations have made her a force in the fashion industry, and her followers look to her for everything from style tips to life advice. But it's not just about beauty, fashion, or humor. Instagram's top non-celebrity influencers are also driving conversations around crucial issues. Isaias Hernandez, known as @QueerBrownVegan, is making a significant impact in environmental advocacy. With over 120,000 followers, Isaias educates his audience on environmental justice, veganism, and zero-waste living, emphasizing the intersectionality of social and ecological issues. His content is both informative and inspiring, encouraging followers to make conscious choices and amplifying marginalized voices in the sustainability movement. These creators exemplify the diversity and dynamism of Instagram in 2025. They've built loyal communities not by chasing fame, but by offering something unique. Whether it's universal humor, expert beauty advice, trend-setting fashion, or passionate advocacy, the numbers speak for themselves, but it's their authenticity, relatability, and vision that truly set them apart. At Famety, we understand the power of influence. For over a decade, we've helped thousands of aspiring creators and businesses grow their social media presence. Whether you're looking to increase your followers, boost engagement, or expand across multiple platforms, our services are designed to help you shine. The path to becoming an influencer starts with passion and purpose. And with Famety backing you up, your journey to the top is just beginning. Stay energized, stay authentic, and let your influence speak louder than ever.